Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews and product insights. Today, we're diving into the 390PCS Cake Decorating Supplies Kit, which is easily one of the best baking tool sets available on the market right now. If you love baking or cake decorating, this set has everything you need to get started and take your creations to the next level. This incredible set includes a whopping 390 pieces, so you won't have to worry about missing any essential tools. In this kit, you'll find 58 different cake decorating tips, including 4 Russian tips, and 54 numbered icing tips. These tips help you create a wide range of designs, from simple decorations to intricate patterns. It also includes a rotating cake turntable that makes frosting and decorating your cakes a breeze. The turntable allows for smooth, easy rotation, ensuring your cakes look perfect from every angle. What sets this kit apart is the variety of tools it offers. Along with the icing tips, you'll get sculpting modeling fondant tools that help you shape fondant into beautiful flowers, figures, or any design you can dream of. The kit also includes a set of cupcake molds, a cake server set, and even a chocolate mold to add a unique touch to your cakes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cake decorator, the tools in this set make it possible to create professional quality cakes at home. The cake pans included in the set are non-stick springform pans, perfect for baking different cake sizes with ease. You'll also find an icing scraper to smooth out your frosting to perfection, a cake decorating pen for precision work, and a cake carrier with a lid to safely transport your creations. This set truly has everything, whether you're making a birthday cake, a wedding cake, or just having fun baking with friends and family. And the best part? All the tools are made from high-quality, food-grade materials like stainless steel, silicone, and plastic, which are both durable and easy to clean. You can be sure that this kit will last you for many baking adventures to come. So, if you're looking for the best baking tools set to help you create your dream cakes, the 390PCS Cake Decorating Supplies Kit is a must-have. From beginners to pros, it has all the essentials and more to make your cake decorating experience effortless and fun. Be sure to check it out and start making your cakes look as delicious as they taste. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. See you in the next video.